I'm going to be showing you how to use the quadratic equation to solve a quadratic problem. And this is helpful for when you're trying to find what x equals. So the first thing you want to do in this problem is you want to set it equal to 0. And you do this by subtracting 15 to the other side. So it would actually be x squared minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Okay. After you've done that, look at this problem here, and you see the A, the B, and the C. It'll make sense in a minute. But what you want to do first is you want to take the A, and it would be the 1, the imaginary 1 in front. So A would be equal to 1. B would be equal to the negative 2. And C would be equal to negative 15. Now you just plug it in here, which this reads negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay. And the way that you do this is, this negative sign means the opposite of b. So you would take positive 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 15. And this is all over 2 times 1. Okay. And what you do here is you would take the negative 2 and square it, which would give you 4. So you would write 2 plus or minus the square root of 4, and then you would take negative 4 times 1 times negative 15, which would give you 60. So it would be plus 60, and 2 times 1 gives you 2. And from there, you want to just add these two together to get 2 plus or minus the square root of 64 divided by 2. And from here, you can square this 64, get 2 plus or minus, and then you square root the 64, and you get 8. And it's still over 2. At this point, you want to break that into two separate problems and make it either 2 plus 8 over 2 or 2 minus 8 over 2. Okay. At this point, you would get 10 divided by 2 and negative 6 divided by 2. So your final answers would be x equals 5 and x equals negative 3.